Boarding an airplane is always an exciting experience. From the moment I step through the airport gates to finally sitting in my assigned seat, there is a sense of adventure that fills the air. As I make my way down the aisle, I am greeted with warm smiles from the flight attendants. Good morning, I say to them, appreciating their hospitality. The flight attendant kindly points me to my seat, and I thank her before settling in. Once seated, I take a moment to familiarize myself with my surroundings. Some preparing to relax, and others chatting about their journey. I can't help but wonder where they're going and whether it's their first time traveling to our shared destination. Is this your first time visiting destination? I might ask, trying to strike up friendly conversation with the person seated beside me. Sometimes a little small talk can make the flight more enjoyable, especially when traveling alone. As the plane begins to taxi, I sit back and relax, knowing that the adventure is just beginning. During the flight attendants make their rounds offering refreshment. I smile and ask, could I please get a glass of water? Their prompt service never ceases to impress me.
Baturan.